So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to expand mice and other pointing devices. And then you want to find your mouse. You want to right click on it, and then click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure you have the best drivers for the device installed. And then once you do that, if you're using an external mouse, I recommend unplugging your mouse and then plugging it back in. Then you want to click on action and then click on scan hardware changes. And also, if your mouse comes with a software like my one does, then you want to head over to your software and then click on your mouse and then click on settings. Make sure that your firmware is up to date through the software itself. And now for the next step, you want to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. Click on check for updates. Make sure that your mouse is fully up to date. And now for the next step, you want to head over to search again and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to type in msdt.exe space -id space device diagnostic and click on enter. And now this will come up. Click on next. And now you want to let this run. You want to follow all the steps that come up, and then hopefully this will fix your problem. And now for the last step, you just want to simply restart your computer, and then hopefully your problem will be fixed.